In this video I will show you how to fix TikTok live banned. First of all, open TikTok and after that click on your profile on the right down corner and click on the three lines on the right top corner and tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down all the way to the end and click on report a problem. Scroll down and click chat with us. And from here you can send them message why you are banned, or you can send the message from here. If you get back and scroll down and click on report and tap on how to report and click on report alive and tap on no, tap on need more help, and from here you can send the message. But from here it is better for you to start from here, which is chat with us, to chat with TikTok. For example, tell them hi, my account is banned, please unban me, thank you, and after that send it from here, and after that they will respond to you with a day or 2 days almost, and that's it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you out, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.